right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a last-minute Christmas gift bundle, in case you still aren't sure what to get yourself, if you're interested in doing some content creation, like streaming or making videos for YouTube or TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or if you've got someone in your life that might be thinking about doing that and just needs a little nudge out the door in order to get them creating and making cool stuff. So what is this bundle? Well, it's a bunch of different goodies from Fifine Gaming, and these are all things that are RGB glowing and also really high quality, and they won't break the bank. This is a kit that includes a microphone, a headset, an audio mixer, because a lot of microphones have an XLR out to get the most out of your microphone for studio recording quality, and it also includes a stream command, little programmable set of buttons, sort of like the Stream Deck if you're familiar with that, so that you can make it so that you have a sort of home base of buttons that you can control and program so that you can just do stuff on the fly, either during content creation or especially during streaming, where you don't want to have to constantly tab back and forth to fiddle with things in the middle of a live broadcast. And this particular kit of things, depending on which one of the components that you do or don't want to get, will run you between just under $200 to about $218, depending on which one of these items you want, because there's a couple of variations to each one of them. So the first item on this list is the H6 headset. Everyone needs to start out with being able to hear what's going on in their game and in their live stream, and that's why I use, as my personal pair of headphones, the H6 headphones. I previously had the H9. The main difference between these two is you cannot unplug this particular set from its surround sound controller, which you can toggle on and off surround sound with this button. You can also change the EQ values on the side and mute and unmute the microphone. But the only difference is on the other version, you can unplug the headset from this controller, and then you can plug it in to a controller or to your console so that you can listen both on PC, Mac, and console. With this version, it's just a plug and play ready, and it's USB only, but I mostly do all my content on PC, so it's not really a big deal for me. This particular headset and also the alternative version are both around $40. Most of the time they're a little bit cheaper, somewhere between $30 and $35, so it kind of just depends when you buy it and where you buy it. Typically, they're pretty inexpensive if you buy them on Amazon. Next thing we'll be taking a look at is the stream command. So the stream command is one of two different items here in this list that will allow you to take full control of your streaming and recording needs. This is a bunch of different screens that you can program on your computer and add different buttons, launch programs, stop and start recording or streaming through OBS or similar programs. And then you can set this up, and it has multiple different pages that you can scroll through using these corner buttons. So you can have dozens, if not hundreds, of different custom commands at the ready, which is great because you don't want to have to stop in the middle of a recording or of a stream in order to find an audio effect, a sound, a video clip, whatever you're trying to do during your stream. You can usually program it into this, and it's a similar product to the Stream Deck. However, it is half the price. And by half the price, it is specifically $64. You can get that right now on Amazon, and it'll ship to you in 2 days. The next thing on our list is the mixers. These are what you're going to use to plug in your XLR microphone, which the one that we're going to be previewing here today is XLR, but it has a combination of XLR or USB, depending on what you need. These are USB plugged into your computer, and then they both allow you to control your audio using the built-in XLR cable plug there in the back. That way you're getting the most out of your fancy new microphone. These allow you to natively control the level of your microphone, of your headset, because you can plug your headset in here as well, along with being able to mix on the newer one your in-game voice chat so that you don't get overwhelmed, and it's easy to control the levels of all your audio so that you're not blowing out the ears of people on stream, and you can really easily, with just a couple of knobs, control what's going on and balance it without having to tab in and out of your game. Again, not having to tab in and out and lag the whole experience for the viewer is kind of the objective here, and this allows you to get that really good high quality level of detail and audio from your microphone through this mixer, you get both control and great audio quality at the same time. Now, the main difference between these two is this one's a little bit older, and it's about, I'd say, $20 cheaper. However, it doesn't have quite the same level of audio as this one. This one allows you to plug it into PC or to your console. It's got a switch back here to be plugged into PC or PS4, and it's also got higher quality audio along with some better quality effects than the original. These have a built-in voice changer, and they can also give sort of like a lilting audio tune quality to your voice if you like to sing or make different jokes while you're on stream. Very handy to have. I would probably go with the slightly more expensive version. It'll last you longer, it has higher quality audio, and you'll get more bang for your buck out of it, especially because right now it's on sale for about $64, $65, and it's normally around $80. Whereas this one's about $40. So kind of gives you an idea. If you're looking for something more budget, you might want to go with the original. It's got pretty equivalent audio quality to the newer one. Got slightly less good quality audio changers for your voice changers and everything, but it's still got good quality and it makes it easy to control your audio levels, and they both glow when you plug them in. I actually have a comparison video, which I will link in the video description below in case you want to check out what the hard differences are and listen to what the audio quality sounds like when you've got your microphone plugged into them. So last but certainly not least is probably one of the more important pieces of this puzzle. This is the AM8 XLR microphone. It is a $50 microphone that offers you the ability to be plugged in with a USB cable or an XLR cable, allowing you to get full range of audio quality out of it, especially if you plug it in to one of the mixers from Fifine. That way you can power it using the phantom power out of the mixer, which will power it directly through the really big XLR cable plug. That way you don't have to have extra cables. Although I will note that if you do want to get the full range of RGB color, which a lot of people do, especially if you purchase it to have it on a boom mount or one of the arms, like I have my main microphone here, then you'll probably want to have it so that you actually get the most out of that RGB effect, but that will require both an XLR cable if you want to use it, or the USB. Both of those you'll want at the same time to get the RGB. Although if you don't use a mixer, this still works just fine, plug and play, using a USB cable to plug it in, and you'll still get a full range of really great audio with that. And I'd recommend it either way. It's just that if you want to use it with an XLR cable, you really need to have some kind of audio mixing base station in order to get the most bang for your buck. And so in total, if you want to purchase this for sort of a last minute Christmas gift, the entire bundle of stuff, although I wouldn't buy both of the mixers, just buy one. If you're buying just with the SC3, it's about $199. If you're buying this whole bundle with the newer version, the SC8, it'll be around $218. And it's such a minor difference at the grand scheme of things. You might as well just buy the slightly better audio mixer. That way you get longer term use out of it, better quality. And who doesn't like something that they buy to work and be really high quality as long as possible, especially when it's on sale during the holidays? Because I think normally it's closer to $80, but right now it's available for around $64, $65 if you grab it on Amazon. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a look at some great starter items, put together kind of a starting streaming kit of different audio equipment and different headphone equipment for streaming and content creation. I will put all the links to these different items in the description below. They don't sell as a unique package all on their own. These are sold individually, but you can get all of them right now on Amazon with, last minute 2-day shipping. You can still be just in time for Christmas and no one will be the wiser, or whatever holiday you celebrate. We fully support Hanukkah and Ramadan and all holidays here, but make sure that if you need something to gift for the holidays, even if you just want to grab something for your cousin, nephew, uncle, son, daughter, brother, aunt, whatever, for like New Year's, now is the time. Strike while the iron is still hot. So again, links in the video description. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.